Hello beauties, you're welcome to Glory Beauty World and Skincare channel. If you are new on this channel, you are very much welcome. It's good to have you here. This channel is all about skincare, how to formulate effective skincare products which are 100% organic and chemical free. And here on this channel we also share DIY recipes that will help you to achieve a smooth, flawless and even toned complexion. So today I'll be teaching you a tutorial on how you can clear those stubborn green veins. That's the varicose veins. And to be honest with you, as long as you are lightening your skin or whitening your skin, there is possibility of you developing green veins. That's the varicose veins. And here on this video I'll be revealing some few ingredients that you need in your whitening skincare products, and I'll also show you how you can make a green veins oil. This green veins oil is going to help to prevent, treat and clear those green veins. So varicose veins, spider veins can be caused by aging, pregnancy, whitening skincare products, overweight and also sitting down for so long. Varicose veins are those larger than normal veins. They are raised, sometimes bluish, greenish, and also looks like your skin color. Sometimes these veins can be achy, it can swell, or it can be itchy. So if you have these problems and you've been worried about it, not to worry, I got you covered. I'll be revealing to you the ingredients and also how to make this green veins oil in order to treat your skin issues. So if you like contents like this and if you want to see more of our videos, please kindly support our channel by subscribing, liking, sharing and also leaving a comment below. And don't forget to click on the notification bell in order to be notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you. So come with me and let me take you to our workstation.
So you'll be needing a mixing bowl, a spatula, a storage bottle. Here I will be using a measuring cup because I will be making a smaller quantity, and I will be listing the ingredients and the measurements that I'll be needing to make a 50 ml green veins oil. Don't forget to sanitize your equipment, table and hands with 99% alcohol to prevent germs from entering your products. The first ingredients I will be adding is the grapeseed oil. Massaging the affected area with grapeseed oil can gradually strengthen the vein walls and repair the damaged blood vessel. Grapeseed oil is rich with antioxidants. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil, that is 15 ml. And this is rose hip seed oil. It brightens, heals, boosts collagen production and even out the skin. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of rose hip seed oil. Here is lemongrass oil. It promotes blood circulation. And I will be adding 1 tablespoon of lemongrass oil. This is skin repair oil. This helps to treat green veins, varicose veins, spider veins and any skin reactions. And I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of skin repair oil. And here is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil helps to prevent and repair vein damage and also protects the skin. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. This is crude canal. This is for the treatment and prevention of green veins, varicose veins, spider veins and any kind of skin reactions. With this in any of your skincare products, you don't need to be afraid of the product causing any other reactions on your skin.
And I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of crude kenako. This ingredient is very effective. What we have here is bell eclat kenako. This helps to get rid of green veins, varicose veins, and dilated veins. It repairs and lightens the skin. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of bell eclat kenako. After adding all the ingredients, the next thing to do is to stir very well to enable all the ingredients to properly mix together. And the oil is ready. This green vein oil will help to promote blood circulation for those with varicose veins. It can also help to prevent blood from pooling in the vein and also becoming stagnant. So I will carefully transfer this product into the storage bottle. So you have to apply on the affected areas and massage in. Use 1 to 2 times daily for best results. And that's it. The oil is very effective. You will start seeing results in few weeks. And yes, consistency is the key. Okay, you can add this oil into any whitening cream that you are using in order to prevent you from having any even stretch marks or green veins. So thank you very much for watching, and if you find this video very helpful, go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time we upload new video. Bye, see you soon.